What time is it? Koliko je sati? We have to watch the minutes. From here to here, we say past. From here to here, we say to. Odavde do ovde prošlo. Odavde do ovde do sljedećeg sata. We use expressions quarter for 15 minutes, 30. For 30 minutes we use half, 25, and we use expressions past and to. It is quarter past 3. 15 prošlo 3. 3 i 15. It is half past 3. Pola prošlo 3. 3 i po sata. It is quarter to 4. 15 minuta do 4 sata. It is 20 past 3. 20 minuta je prošlo od 3 sata. To je 3:20. It is 5 past 3. 5 minuta je prošlo od 3 sata. To je 3 sata i 5 minuta. It's 25 to 4. 25 minutes to 4. So 3:35 je 25 minuta do 4 sata. 15 minutes quarter, 30 minutes half, 25 minutes expression past, expression to. Remember to change the number. It isn't 3 anymore, it is now 4. And that's it.